Welcome back to Mario's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be tutoring you guys on how to set up VPNIFY application in all countries and on all networks. So let us go to the Google Play Store and then we download the application. But before continuing, let us first subscribe, like the video, share the video. If you get any problem, the comment section is available for you to comment your issue. So let us continue to Google Play Store, and then after continuing to Google Play Store, we are going to download the application called VPNIFY. It will be working on your Android device in all countries and in all networks to provide you with a stable internet connection. It adds another layer of security, and then it is fast and secure. Let us continue, and then we download the VPN. This is the application I'm talking about. It is unlimited VPN proxy. It will be working on your Android device. So let us continue by opening the application. If you open the application, but please note that this tutorial is for research, education, and information purposes only. Users must first read the internet service provider's terms and conditions before continuing to this application, and users are requested to follow the local laws. And then let us continue. As you see that our connection is not protected, you're going to be protecting it to add an extra layer of security for extra protection in all countries. Let us continue. I'm going to come right here, and then you're going to come. You're going to first come and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Then you're going to come right here. You have the selected server, and then you're going to be choosing a server that is near to your country's location. But dear viewers, lovely subscribers, let us choose a server that is near to our country's location, or keep up with the auto select server so that it will be automatically choosing a server that is fully optimized and online, that will be working for you to provide you with a fast, stable, and secure connection. Let us continue by selecting the auto select server. You can be looking up with all those servers, but choose a server if you choose that is near to your country's location so that you can add an extra layer of security for extra protection. So let us come where you have auto select, and then you're going to accept the VPN service. Don't ask again, and then allow the VPN service so that the application can get connected successfully. So guys, it has connected successfully, and that is the advert. Let us wait for a few moments, and then you close, and I show that it was working. And you can also search. Sorry guys, you can search. Alright, I sign out. These are adverts.